These ultimate handyman dads leave other house builders in the dust. Although there's almost 200 species of weavers found in Africa, Asia, and Australia, everyone uses the same building technique. And every builder's a guy. Weavers mostly use strong grasses to make their nests. But this East African weaver bird will use just about anything, from string to thread to plastic. Our handyman weaves a dense and intricately knotted cup-like nest with a reinforced circular opening, often built over water to protect the eggs from land predators. These ultimate dads weave well into the mating season, making as many nests as there are places to make them. When he's got plenty of nests to show off, our master craftsman picks his girl and invites her over. If she approves of his technique, she'll move right in, mate with the nest builder, and lay their eggs within days. On the other hand, if a female examines the nest and isn't immediately wowed, then Mr. Sensitive chases her off and looks for a more easily impressed bride-to-be. So, it's no surprise that most weaver males never even become dads, never mind ultimate dads. Temperamental artists can be very tough to live with. Which means most weaver males build and build and build, but still remain empty nesters.